We've heard people asking questions, and we've heard people saying we want to see what's in the JLP manifesto, and we think that's great. And we're responding to that, of course, by ensuring that we meet our commitment of having said to you that we will be sharing our manifesto in a new, creative way, and that we will make sure that we engage as deeply and widely with the Jamaican people as possible on the issue. And it is for this reason that I Choose Jamaica, the next chapter, will be launched for the first time out of Kingston. No manifesto has ever been launched outside of Kingston, nor has one ever been launched at a mass rally, and it will be launched at Sam Sharp Square at our mass rally on Sunday, the 24th at 4 p.m. So we really want to encourage you to come out. We want to see you there. We think we'll have an exciting presentation for you. We want to invite you also, of course, to tune in to the social debates which take place the night before, at which you'll have the opportunity to undoubtedly get a preview of some of the contents of the manifesto that, of course, will be relevant to the debate.